this year's award winner. The Miami Home Design and Remodeling Show has been an amazing success. Thousands of attendees, hundreds of exhibitors showcasing the best of what South Florida can give. Here at the show, we are going to be recognizing a certain amount of companies for different types of awards, from People's Choice, Legacy Exhibitor, Best in Show, Best Large Booth, Small Booth, and Most Instagrammable. Well, come with me because I want to show you who's going to be getting this year's awards. We have these different awards to recognize different businesses here in the show. You know, Best Large Booth, Best Small Booth. We have Legacy Awards. We have Best Looking Guys. Most, exactly, but not twins. There's an age gap, so exactly. Yeah. So this year's, and this is a really special award because it's something that people voted for, and it's the only one that actually is voted collectively by attendees and people coming to the show. And this year's People's Choice Award, you guys received the award. Okay. So congratulations.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So
Absolutely. Appreciate it.
Thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
Every show you guys do an amazing job, but you're always bringing out amazing products. Whoop. Yeah. Actually, she dropped it last show and shattered. Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! Oh! See, I knew it was going to happen. Like, thank God it was you, not me. That is good luck, guys. That is incredibly good luck.
So it's been an amazing weekend.
So fun.
Thank you for being here.
Of course.
But you are going to have the honors to present the Best in Show
Best
award.
in Show. Should I tell you who it is now?
I think we wait.
Okay.
Let him follow us and
All
then
right.
we'll see.
Come on.
All right, come with us.
I mean, I've seen a million exhibitors, right? In all the years I've been doing this, but it's like, I guess it's the product that I keep thinking about.
Right.
Right? And I feel like last night I was still thinking about this one.
Yeah, because I mean, every exhibitor puts so much into their displays. They're all beautiful.
Yes.
But it's the product, and it's what's going to get installed into someone's home.
Dun, 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 dun.
We're gonna sneak up on them, so let's see.
Hi, nice to see you. So we have a little thing to give you.
Okay.
So she's walked the entire show. This is her second day at the show, and we have these different awards that are very special to the show and obviously to our exhibitors, and Sabrina has a very special award.
Best of Show. Yes, this is for you, the Best in Show plaque.
Thank you so much. You know, it's,
Look at,
we are the winner.
who's gonna be able to put that on their office?
When you look at all these different things in the show, you know, it's the product and what stands out, and she uses this so much in different renovations, so.
So beautiful.
Thank you so much.
I love your product.
Take you to our showroom.
I'm here.
No, this is nothing. It's all that we have.
I will come, I promise.
Please, promise?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Of course, congratulations.
Thank you.
And now we're going to be presenting the Best Large Booth Award for this year's Miami Home Show. We do something where we have these different awards for all different booths in the show, you know, from large booth, small booth, Instagrammable, things like that. And this year, you guys are getting the award of the best large booth in the entire show. So, I mean, you guys have been doing the show for how many years? 20 something, 20
At
plus?
least 20, so
Yeah.
it has to be.
So, I mean, but every single show, you guys do an amazing job. You go all out. I mean, it's beautiful. And to have exhibitors like you guys and partners, Efrain, you're getting in here. So you guys are receiving the Best Large Booth Award in the show. Absolutely.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And you guys really deserve this. You do an amazing job, and we appreciate you guys. So, wanna.
So sweet. Thank you so much.
And now we're going to be giving the award of this year's Best Small Booth. How you doing? Everything going well?
Yeah.
Good. Good leads?
Complain.
Where's
Yeah.
your wife? She's not here?
No, yeah.
She coming back?
Coming back.
All right. I got to wait for her.
All right.
She's coming back soon?
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
Okay. Wait. I can't present it now. I got to wait for her. I got to wait for her. There you are. How you doing? Everything going well? So we have these different awards where we recognize different exhibitors for their hard work and effort and everything that they put towards, and we have all these different categories of what the award represents. And you know, when going through the whole show, there's booths of different sizes. You guys have won this year's award for the best small booth in this year's show. So, I mean, it's a great accomplishment. There's a lot of companies. Every company puts so much effort into what they do. And for what you guys have done in this show and now building consistency, you know, you guys deserve it.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Appreciate it. Absolutely. Here, come on in here. Absolutely. Appreciate you guys.
Hi everyone, I'm Grace.
And I'm Taylor.
And we are the Home Show Media team.
And today we are going to be giving out the Most Instagrammable Booth Award
To one lucky winner. So come and join us. At the show, what we do nowadays is we hand out awards. And the award that we give out is the Most Instagrammable Booth. And we thought that your product is pretty cool and definitely very Instagrammable, so we wanted to present you with the award.
Yeah, here's the Most Instagrammable Booth Award.
Congratulations.
Absolutely, careful.
Hi guys, my name's Jeremiah Goll.
My name is Ryan Locke from Interior Atmosphere.
Camila Crispino from C2 Concepts.
And today we have been chosen to give the award for luxury lifestyle, so come with us. Hi guys, how are ya? How are ya? Jeremiah, pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you, son.
Camila, nice to meet you.
So we have some great news. Us designers, we're the featured designers of the show, and we chose you guys as the most luxurious showroom or show space in today's show, this year's show. So we wanted to give you this award.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Faye just left, the manager.
He missed a
Take
good
good pictures so I can make him jealous.
home show.
So this award is the Legacy Exhibitor Award. This is a special award because it recognizes a business that has been a part of the shows consistently, has grown within the show, has evolved, and this year's award winner, another year. How many years has it been?
I think it's 15 years or more.
15 years. I've been doing this for 17 years, and you guys have been one of my first clients. You've been a part of the show, have not missed shows, like you and seeing where you started your business and where you are today and how you've grown a beautiful display. I want to present you guys with an award. So we offer these awards, and this year's Legacy Exhibitor Award recognizes your consistency, just growth throughout the years, being such a great partner of ours. You guys mean so much to us.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank
absolutely.
You so much.
We appreciate
I'm
it.
very glad I'm part with the family.
Absolutely. It's the Home Show family.
The Home Show family.
Hey everybody, Ken Crawford, past president of ASID Florida South, coming to you at the Home Show to give a wonderful award to one of these fantastic booths here today. The award I'm handing out is Sustainable Design. I'm here on behalf of Fort Lauderdale Home Show to give you an award for Sustainability Product Booth. So this is for you, and we love what you do. This is an amazing product. So you should be very proud of the fact that you're actually reusing something and saving the earth by doing that. So that's wonderful.
And now we're going to be giving out the award that a company can only get once for the first time that they exhibit in the Miami Home Show or any of our home shows. And that award is the Best New Exhibitor. So come with me. Let's see who gets this year's award. This is an award that every company who works with us and participates and becomes a part of the show, they only have one opportunity to be able to get this award. And that award is this year, what we want to honor you guys with is this year's Best New Exhibitor. So we're gonna give you guys the Best New Exhibitor Award. I mean, I personally love your product. Everything that you guys represent, it's what the show represents. And you know, I wanna be able to offer that to you guys. And this does fall out, so be careful. Okay. Hold on to it. Someone did smash it last show, but I appreciate you guys. We celebrated the best of what's available to the South Florida market. Join us and visit the next home designer remodeling shows in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Palm Beach. We'll see you next time.